In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Slack. We'll walk through the process inside Asana step by step, so you can start sending important project updates directly into your Slack workspace. This makes it much easier to keep your team aligned without constantly switching between tools. First, open Asana and select the project that you want to connect to Slack. This is important because the integration works on a per project basis. Make sure you're in the correct project from your Asana sidebar and that you can see the list or board view with all your tasks. If you manage multiple projects, think about which one generates the most updates your team needs to see in Slack, and start with that. Once you're inside the right project, look toward the top right area of the screen for the Customize option. Go ahead and click on Customize. This panel is where Asana lets you adjust how your project behaves, including fields, rules, and of course, app integrations like Slack. When the Customize panel opens on the right-hand side, find and click on the section labeled Apps. This area is dedicated to connecting third-party tools to your Asana project. If you don't see it right away, just scroll within the panel until Apps appears. Inside the Apps section, you'll see different tools that can be connected. Here, click on the Add button. This tells Asana that you want to attach a new app integration to this specific project. From the list of available apps, locate Slack and click on it. This is the official Slack integration that will allow Asana to send notifications and updates into your Slack workspace or specific channels. Clicking Slack will open a new view with more details about what the integration can do. Next, click on Add to Project. This connects the Slack app to the project you currently have open. At this point, Asana may open a pop-up window or redirect you to log into Slack if you're not already signed in with your Slack account in the browser. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These will usually ask you to authorize Asana to access your Slack workspace, choose which Slack channel or direct message should receive updates, and confirm the permissions. Take a moment to read each screen so you understand what types of notifications you're enabling, then approve the connection. Once you complete those prompts, your Asana project